Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can see Facebook feed in chronological order. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version and make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Let's open up the Facebook app. Go to the menu icon. Tap on see more and here you see feeds. And here are all of your feeds, different people's videos and all that. Now tap on favorites, friends, groups, pages. So these are all of the chronological order. You can see this is 9 hours ago. If in the next post you can see it's 9 hours ago, the up next post is 13 hours ago, and it's in already in chronological order or the recent one. So guys, this is how you can check your feeds in chronological order. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.